Ain't that something? It's supposed to be April, but we're back in February. Mother Nature's playing April Fool's joke on us. And Michael have gotten the picture. Great, fantastic. Okay, I'm done.